Wait 2 more minutes. Wait 2 more minutes. Okay. Now we will start about SSL. This is the SSL in real time. This is the SSL in real time environment. Now, this is we are accessing the domain by using URL browser. Browser have installed public certificate, and that certificate and matches with the server certificate. Okay. www.xyzbank.com means www.sbibank.in. We can enter the URL, and key store and certificates is configured under the load balancer, and load balancer to our servers we configure under the servers. Okay, in application servers in this, and this is a cluster. In the cluster consists of three application servers. We configure under SSL in the cluster level under cell level. DCell default key store. Okay, after this is the database cluster. Database cluster. Database cluster means there are several databases: Oracle 50,000, MySQL 4436, 3306, and DB2 50,000. Oracle 1521 is the port number we can use. Like that, we can use port numbers. Okay, Oracle and IBM WebSphere and JBoss, everything we have configured under SSL secure for the website. Okay, security from the website. Tomcat and Apache Tomcat means Apache to access Tomcat by using SSL.conf and mod JKS. We can configure like this. Okay. After that, yes, WebSphere we have clusters is there. Like database also cluster is there. One primary and the secondary nodes. Primary and the secondary nodes are available, so we can use primary, and if any defect in the primary, we can switch immediately to database to secondary node. Okay, like this: node 1, node 2, node 3. If anyone is down, automatically route to the another database, and another node. If any two databases are crash, we can recover the data from the data, and recover data from the tools. Okay, and database 3 is live. Okay, these are the things. Okay, this is user comes internet searching and click the DNS to load balancer. Okay, load balancer. This is the architecture load balancer. After this, Citrix and elastic load balancer. This is the load balancer. F5R plus big IP address, everything is there. Okay, based on the weights, cluster weights, we can go and serve the request. Now we are configuring SSL in the IBM WebSphere application server using IP address, and domain purpose we can use touch store. Say go to. I am right clearly. Don't confusion here. Yes, first we need take backup of DMGR cell for future preferences. Okay, after that take backup of trust.p12, comma key.p12, comma security.xml is take backup by using below commands: cp space -pr security.xml security.xml underscore bkp. Okay, hyphen pr, cp space hyphen pr, trust.p12, trust.p12 underscore bkp, cp space hyphen pr, key.p12, key.p12 underscore bkp. This is the step one. Step one. I will only in this lecture I only tells how certificate is renewed in the IBM WebSphere only, not IHS. I will inform this class only IBM WebSphere. IHS is different. We will take differentiation, or we can use. We can take my videos for references. Okay, it is simple, but console is difficult. But we will see in this difficult concept. Okay, first we have to verify SSL certificate is expired or not. Expired or not using using tools like key tool or GSK CMD or OpenSSL commands. We are using key tool hyphen list hyphen v. You can give the path. After that, but we can use but OpenSSL X509 hyphen no out hyphen in path hyphen text hyphen and date. You can give like this the certificate. Suppose I have two certificates are available. I am creating one folder. I am creating WebSphere app server profiles DMGR. I am creating one new folder SSL. Yes, okay. This is so one of root intermediate server certificate is available. Root certificate is and intermediate data server certificate. Root and server certificate coordination purpose we can use intermediate certificates. Okay, by here I will tell you root and server certificate. But communication purpose here is communication between root to server using intermediate communication between root to server using server certificates using SSL. We already knows this. For personal certificates, we can configure under cell key stores. For domain or third party certificates, we can configure trust store under trust store signer under signer information. Under this, we can configure like this. We can configure go this. Okay. Now I am using OpenSSL command. See what is the command, how to use. So I am using OpenSSL commands. I am giving permission of the stores chmod -r 775 digit. This is the root and intermediate and the server certificate is there. So I am using root certificate. What are the OpenSSL command we can use? OpenSSL x509 hyphen no out hyphen in certificate. I taken from another website. I will show. There is 3 certificate is there in the chain. There is intermediate means chain certificate. Okay, communication between root and server certificate. I will show clearly in the browser. We can select in the browser. See, general purpose. I'm okay. This details. Wait, I will. This is intermediate certificate. Okay, we can use certificate serial number. Okay, issued and validity and trust G2. Okay, like this validity. No before, no after. Like this we can give. Okay, this is 256 fingerprint certificate and this is the public key. This is the domain configuration, means we can configure this domain into our trust store. This is the server certificate. This is root. Intermediate is the server certificate. Root in the server certificate by a communication purpose. Intermediate certificate is there. We can configure that in our test source. This is a domain configuration. We can use test source in our servers. We can use this. See how we configure SSL in our servers. Go to, I taken backup of all the things. I will take backup. Now out hyphen text hyphen and date. This is saying okay, DGSet US including incorporations DGSet issued by DGSet TLS and root certificate. There are three certificates is there. Root, intermediate, server certificate. Intermediate means communication between front end and back end by using intermediate mediator. Mediator means communication purpose. For root and server certificate, the middle intermediate certificate is there. Okay. In this January 15, 2021 to and January 14, 2046 DGSet you can use. Okay. Like this. Every certificate have validity and a fingerprint. Everything is there. Okay. January 14th is expiry date 2046. 23 years are there. 26 years are there. Okay. 22 years are there. Okay. After this, we can go to the config, cd cells, cd dmgr cell. I already taken backup of dmgr cell for future purpose. So I taken and I have take backup test store cp space hyphen pr security.xml underscore bkp. I am taking backup key dot ptol underscore bkp. bkp. Okay. This is the thing. After that, we have renewal the certificates. I am renewing first personal certificate is I am renewing. Don't confusion. No confusion here. Go to the security. Under that SSL certificate and key management. Go to the security. Under that SSL certificate and key management. Under that key store and certificates. Under that you can go to the cell default key store. After that go to the personal certificate. This is CSR raising, but this is configuration part. CSR means personal certificate request. In this, you can raise CSR from the client, given the client, they given the certificate and they given the domain certificate. We can configure under the test short. Now we can comes under personal certificate. Okay, this is the personal certificate. I am extracting the personal certificate. It means take backup of the certificate. I have backup is there. I will take backup files. Okay, extract. I am applying. Yeah, already completed. Now I am saying this. extract or not take, say extracted completed. Oh, I am verifying this open SSL command. Certificate is take a backup. We can verify certificate is expired or not. If certificate is expired, you can see like this in the logs. In the system out.log, you can shows it will shows SSL configuration is changed, means this is second, this is SSL certificate is no longer validate, no longer validate, no longer validate from January 2024, from 12th, from 11 January 2024, 21:36 GMT to 2022, 12 Jan 2024, 16, 18, 18 GMT, means 6 hours, 6 o'clock, my certificate is expired. It will shows like this in the logs. If already expired means we can use 14, means already expired. Expired for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, I already 14 means already expired 2 o'clock. 16 means 4 o'clock already expired my certificate. So in this, we can create a new certificate and you can use like this same. See, my certificate is expired or not, we have verified. Open SSL, can use Open SSL XY09 hyphen no out hyphen in under certification path, or we can use this in the same path hyphen end date. Yeah, certificate expired or not, we can verify this 2025. My certificate is 2025. Oh, it is full means text. It will use hash algorithm and all everything. This is the deployment manager profile UID. Profile default profile is deployment manager is the default. The profile I have selected default profile is the DMGR. Say common name is US and organization name is IBM. Organization unit is DMGR node 1, organization unit is DMGR cell, and organization unit root certificate, and the common name is www.was server. This is my host name. My host name. Okay. Here no confusion. Validate 2024 January 11. Yesterday I created profiles. I have some profile is not started. So I troubleshooted morning this. So it will profile is DMGR is up. The host name is mismatch. We can enter a host name and I assign the IP address for that. It will everything is okay. After this 2025 is there. Okay. After this 2025 January 10th, we can renewal the certificate by using it is a personal certificate, right? We can use personal certificate by using IP address. IP means internal, you cannot disclose it to outside. So, IP address means personal certificate means we can use self-signed certificate. I am creating channel certificate. Go to create. Same. What is that? What is there? This is the one of the question in. This is one of the question in certification part. There is certificate is expired. We can delete and replace the certificate, or we can replace and delete existing certificate. Is the answer. This is the second thing is the correct answer. Okay. This is the certification answer is there. Okay. Don't confusion here. First renewal the certificate, then only we can delete the certificate. New certificate I given. Root certificate to use. Common name is I am giving my host name 365, 365, 365 days. On 10 years, my certificate is valid. Organization unit IBM. Same IBM. Locality New Delhi. State Delhi. Something we can give. Okay. Country is US. But Delhi means Indian, right? So we can give IN. Apply. Yeah, I can give. Review the certificate and sync the changes. This is the key.p12 on the security.xml is updating. Save. After that, go to the endpoint security. Under this, inbound and outbound configurations are there. We can map this cell trust store and cell key. This domain certificate we can configure under the trust store. We will see after the personal certificate renewal. I am renewing the personal certificate, own certificate. Own certificate means self-signed certificate. If a signed certificate is there, we can use signed certificate. That's it. Wait, it will say changes is going on. Wait a moment, it will complete until we cannot touch anything. Don't go back buttons. After this, okay. After this, select replace, replace with new certificate. Yeah, see, key dot security delete dot p12 certificate. See, new certificate is updated, and yeah, if any issues, renewal means renewal 2024 to 2034, 10 years valid. After that, this key.p12 security.xml save. Okay. After this, we can check certificate is renewal or not, like renewal everything. This is the serial number of the certificate. This is the common name and everything. Go to the SSL certificate management. Go to this. Go to the endpoint security configurations. Manage. Under that, we can verify inbound security. Go to the DMGR cell and SSL configurations and check cell default SSL. Here, cell default trust store is there or not, we can verify. Cell default key store is there or not, we can verify. Everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. Okay. Don't touch anything here. Just to confirm, if a cell is there, we can use trust store like this. Okay. Don't confusion here. Manage endpoint security. After this, go to the custom profile, go to the SSL configurations, go to the cell default, and yeah, as it is, no issues, and no default, no issues. Cell default transfer is there. We can give no default, okay, like this. Based on that, no cell default transfer, no default key stores. Don't touch anything. I am just informing if anything wrong. This is inbound security. This is outbound security. We can verify one by one each and every point. Go to the SSL configurations. This is cell default. Okay, everything is perfect. We can check SSL TLS version, SSL underscore TLS v2. Okay, everything is perfect. Inbound and outbound both are match. Must should be match the configurations. Say cell default key store, everything is matches. After this, we are going outbound security. In means incoming request from the data from the servers. Out means response from the servers. We can call it as inbound and outbound in the cell level. In the outbound, we can use DMGR cell. Go to the SSL configurations. Go to the cell default key stores. See, everything is perfect. Some servers have it will be like this. We can configure like this. It will be a cell default trust store is there. Somebody changes, we can configure like this. Okay, don't touch anything in the production and everything. If any issues, contact your logs are there. You can check and you can proper document. Then only you perform. Without if the half knowledge, you cannot do anything. If anything is there, you can merge is there. If anything is there in key store, somebody changes trust store, we can changes like this. Okay, this is the personal certificate. You can use third party certificate also. You can configure. We will see after this SSL configurations, cell default SSL settings. Yeah, trust store, everything is same. No issues reported. Quality of protection settings. SSL underscore TLSV2. This is the thing happened. Okay. After this, go to the key store and certificates. We can use personal third party certificate. We can give here. Go to signer certificate. Trust store signer certificate. We can renew. We can add the certificate in this. Yeah, this is the root certificate. 2014 is expired. So I am extracting the certificate. I'm extracted slash taken backup. I am adding the certificate. Okay, this is the certificate path. This is after this. This is root certificate. I can use here security apply. Yes, reviews. Synchronization. What are the configuration? Well, touch.ptol and the security.xml file is updating. So this is be careful while doing this. Keep in mind. I am adding another certificate. This is intermediate certificate. Okay. This is apply, review, and sync changes. Touch.ptol on the security.xml is the main configuration files in the SSL. Key.ptol also is their key store purpose. After this, you can add server certificate. You can add this server certificate, apply, review, and save changes. Touch.ptol under security.xml file is updating. Say no issues is reported till now. Yeah, no issues. Everything is perfect. Now I am deleting the certificate. Here I am deleting old certificate. I already taken backup. Don't forget this. First take backup, then delete. Say updating trust.ptol and security.xml. After this everything is perfect. This is the certificates. After that, this is the certificates DGCert. DGCert is issued the certificates. Our environment is dev environment. We can given the certificate 2021 to 2031, 10 years valid. Okay. And intermediate certificate is we can give, and intra root certificate only 2046, and server certificate give root and the server certificate 2031 is there. Already 2024, only 7 years is left. After that, we can renew the server certificate and intra root certificate. Okay. If we have any LDAP servers is there. We can retrieve from the certificate, can give host name of the LDAP. This is my host name. This is my host name of the LDAP. See, this is my LDAP server. This is my LDAP server. If any LDAP is there, we can give 389 and 636 is port number. Secure 389 is non-secure. I can give SSL and retrieve silent information. Is that genuine? Then only comes. Otherwise, connection reset. Okay, we can configure LDAP in our servers. Then only comes here. We can configure means already I have video is there. You can check video in LDAP. I will show you what is the video in this. This check this Active Directory installation and configuration for this. For this, I will paste in the live chat. Okay, refer this. Okay, this is the live chat. Okay, we can I given link where we can click this is working or not. We can verify this. Yes, it's working. Okay, it's working. Everything is perfect. Check that video and download and install and configure your servers. No, using that video and configure the servers. Okay, after that we can restart the servers. Restart the node agent and check. Go to the system administration and do one thing. Kill all Java is the command to no process is running. If a process is running, we can use 2 or 3 times. Yeah, two process is running. Kill all Java. Yeah, still running. Yeah, no process is running. So I am restarting the servers one by one. cd bin. I am clearing the cache. Clear class cache.sh. OSGI init.sh means one is profile level cache is created and another one is server level cache is created. This is profile level cache is created. This is server level cache is created, deleted. Cache means temporary data stored under the our servers. Temp, temp, configuration temp also delete. We can use key tool also for creating the CSR. For that, okay, we can create clusters in the using scripts, and later classes we create the cluster using script also. We will try in my best in my laptop. Then we'll deliver the cluster creation in the using scripts. Go to this. Go to temp. We can verify PWD we are under temp or not, and RMS space RF star CD temp double S temp RMS space RF CD configuration under the temp PWD. We can use RM space RF CD bin dot slash start server dot sh and DMGR we can use like this. No issues reported. Every profile is consists of a server. For DMGR is the server is there. We can show. Don't confusion. Start manager dot sh and start server dot sh both are executing same commands backend. Don't confusion here. Yesterday I resolved one issue in my laptop. What are the issue means? We can configure under a host, etc host. I missed. We can configure under this. I will show in this. Okay, wait. I will show. I am launching duplicate session. VAS admin. I am logging with VAS admin, not root. Don't execute root. cd etc vim host. Say I am configuring under VAS server. Yesterday class I have error is there, means configuration error. We have configuring host in the host file. This is the VAS server. Previously it will comes localhost 6.localAdmin. It is there. I can change this to VAS server. Then DMGR profile is started, and we can protect the profiles. After this class, after this we can create one profile in the DMGR profile is there in the Windows. I have Linux profile is there, application server profile. Both are merged and federated, and one console we will show under SSL after SSL. Okay, I will put charging. So okay, my charging is going on. If anybody asks any question, straight forward. No issues reported. Don't fear anything in interview point of view. Whatever is there, you can deliver. Don't confusion. Okay, don't confusion yours. Dot slash clear class catchy dot sh osj cfg init dot sh. We can open. I disable the firewall already, and this integration with application also. So application runs under SS secure internal IP address internal certificate. So no issues. For domain purpose, we can integrate with trust store with the domain level. So this is the SSL concept in WebSphere level, not IHS. IHS is we can import and export the certificates. We can add the certificate and renewal the certificates and delete the certificates. IHS already shows. This is very, very important. So I opened SSL concept in DMGR level. Application is down because our server is going to clear cache and all the things. Okay, server is down, so not able to fetch the application shopping cart. We are not secure. Okay, we can give no issues. I will call LDAP, then it will come secure. Okay, I will configure LDAP later in my okay, after class. Already LDAP is configured. Go to I given chat live chat. Please configure LDAP. Please keep it in mind while using RMS space RF. Please keep it in mind where we are executing and go properly. Then only RMS space RF. So go to TAM backstep. Go to TAM. You can use verify PWD. You can use RM space RF. Temp double S temp config temp. You can give RM space RF. CD bin. I am using synchronization command. Note this down. Then only sync is applicable. Our host name is the VAS server. Under 8879 is the synchronization of DMGR SOAP current report number. 9060 is the console. 9043, 9080, 9443 is the application accessing port number and context root. 8879 is the DMGR and 8880 is our application servers. I will show in this here port numbers. Integrated console port number means DMGR. Don't confusion here. 9060 for secure. 9043 for soap connector of DMGR. 8879 soap connector of application server. SOAP connector port number 8880. Okay, after this application accessing port number without security 9080 or 9081 or 9082. Based on this, this is, please keep in mind, this is called about HTTPS. We can give 90809443. Okay, I will show here CD WebSphere, IBM WebSphere app server, profiles, application server, logs, cat about this profile.txt. See 9080 HTTPS application accessing port number security 9443. HTTP means non-secure. HTTP hypertext transfer protocol means application using HTTPS when treated as this. Please keep in mind this remembering purpose. I shown keywords. Okay, synchronization happened. Start node.sh, start server.sh. Okay, this is after that we can parallelly runs here also app server to cd temp rm space rf star temp. Okay, after this we can give cd bin dot slash clear class catchy dot sh. After this Start node.sh. Starting the node. When DMGR is down, there is no impact on the application. If DMGR is down and how to execute the if DMGR is down, application server is down, how to start the application, how to start the servers using the scripts. We are using script dot slash start server dot sh server name, and you can use server status dot sh space hyphen all. By using script, you can execute. I will give you this description to channel in live. I will copy paste in the chart. Please refer this. Okay, limit. I will give you the after that I will send the notes. Node is okay. I will start custom profile also. I am login with VAS admin, not root. Don't execute, don't install product under root. Sometimes maybe damage drawback in a way, which scenario means client wants to install fixpack and all product is installed under the root. At the time client wants to install product under the VAS admin fixpack, so we need to delete again product and recreate profiles, recreate the product. So don't install product under root, and after installation root don't change the permissions and all the things. If we change permission, after that you can install the fixpack, go to the root and install the fixpack. Otherwise it shows installation manager is installed by another user. Another user means root users, that is our group users. You can verify that. Okay, don't confusion here. Refresh pack, fix pack, ifix, same commands. Bash commands is same. This is the SSL. This is SSL in WebSphere, IBM WATS. For IHS also same. We can use GSK CMD. You can use like that. I am not installed IHS. I am installed only WAS and the clusters. Wait 2 more minutes. Executed. Then all servers are started. No issues. Otherwise, we can troubleshoot. If any issues server related, we can troubleshoot that. Please comfortable and learn the things. See, OAGA, clear catchy at OAGA means profile level catchy, custom profile. Okay, like this. Anybody ask, you say like this. Just take time to start. No issues. Don't hurry, berry. If any issues, please reply the chat. Ask the chat any questions. I will explain in the live. What questions you ask, I will explain straightforward answers. Yeah, server is started. First server is started. Second server is going. Third server no, clearing cache. And we can check so one server is running or not. Application is the accessing or not. We can verify that. 9083 is application accessing. I think one server is 9083. Wait, I am verified. This is the SSL. Okay. Thank you for watching this. All servers started. No issues is reported. Already verified. 9080 9080. I am not mapped server. Okay. This is 9080 9083. You can start. Then you can access the application. Everything is fine. No issues. One server is okay. No issues reported. Remaining servers will become up without business impact. Anybody ask questions, I will deliver the answers. Server is not started. So cluster one is this is 9083 port number. Cluster one is not started. So application is down. Cluster consists of three application servers. So one application server is down, another application server is working. So the same concept is applicable here. Yeah. Now server is application is accessing. Application is not down. Application is now live. Yeah, application is working fine. No issues reported. See, my application is working. No issues reported. Okay, like this, browse store. You can give furniture. Okay, it will start slow by slowly. Okay, Here's the starting. It will start slowly, no issues. I am stopping the screen sharing. Okay, thank you for watching this. Please subscribe the channel. Okay, I am stopping any issues. Please reach out to me.